Today we're going to be discussing how AI is impacting our workflow. There was a post I made recently on how design is basically changing from just being pixel pushers to builders. It's about a blog I came across on memorizely.com. Yeah, so the blog was basically talking about how the design role is changing from just being a pixel, or the designer role is just changing from being a pixel pusher to builders. So in this AI age, I think one of the things that can make us stand as a designer is if we should change our mindset from just being designer, oh, I just want to put colors, doing this and that, to actually being builders. We've been given the power to build. What does that mean? You can literally think of an idea, design out your idea, build it, and then launch it. So it's so easy now. I don't want to use the word easy because there are still some learning curves that we have to go through as designers, like understanding databases, understanding flows and logics. As designers, we need to think in systems. So how can you apply the use of AI in your workflow? Look at how I'm doing it. So there is a product I'm currently working on, right? There was a product I worked on last year. It's a budget tracking or budget management platform, and it's also a tax management. So basically helps users to manage their tax and track their budget or manage their budget or something like that. So I was using it one day. I was like thinking, what if we can improve this app and also integrate another feature that can help users to track their finances, like income, like their investments, like their expenses, and maybe like savings, right? And that was how I picked up some of these vibe coding tools. The platform that I really liked that I'm really building with now is Figma. So this is what I am currently working on. This is where I am currently now in the product. So while I was working on the product, I got an idea. What if it can also help users to manage their tax? What if it can also help them to track their projects? So we now have a tax management flow that can help users manage their tax, like to-dos, their ongoing tasks, completed and overdue, right? It's such an amazing platform. Just imagine a platform that brings all different use cases to just one place, that it makes your life easy. So my goal for this product is to simplify the life of a designer, to simplify designers' life and make their life more productive and easy. I call this Savely because it literally saves time. It literally saves a lot of time for designers. Instead of you hopping from one tool to another, you have a tool that you can just do everything in that tool on that platform. And also this morning I also had an idea that why not gamify the platform. So one of the ways I think the platform can be gamified is putting like a learning flow to it. Maybe when a designer logs into the platform, based on set of interests that they've selected, right, the platform can give them like 20 quizzes to answer based on the interest, or maybe a topic that they selected that they want to learn something new from that day. They will answer some series of quiz, and each question answered correctly equals a point. So let's assume a user answers 20 questions correctly. That means they will get a point for that day, and it will be added to any point that they've gotten on the platform. It also calculates their daily streaks, weekly streaks or monthly streaks, and also shows them the leaderboard. I'm so excited about this product, and the beautiful thing is that I did not have to do anything. I barely did a little design, right? So this is how we started. You can see how the product we started, I started with one feature, right, which is finance tracking platform to help me to basically track my expenses, to track my savings, and to track my investments as a designer. And then before these other features came in, and I kept prompting it, and it gave me this output. I saved it so that I can show you guys. It gave me this output, but I didn't like the user interface. I really wanted the interface to look simple, clean, and very user friendly. Just simple, clean, and user friendly. So I designed a sample for it. And the thing there, like I was saying earlier, we are getting to a level in design where you would do little or no design at all to actually create a solution. You don't have to spend hours. I started this product yesterday, and I'm almost done. I'm integrating a whole lot of features into it, because the more you work on an idea, the more you have like clarity on how to modify or improve on that idea. And one of the things that can help you in this time and age is not to just learn or consume information about AI. You actually need to learn by doing. Think of a product, think of an idea that might benefit you. This product, now I'm building it for myself because I'm tired of hopping around different tools. Like once this product starts working, it's going to simplify a whole lot of process for me, because I'm just going to be basically doing everything or tracking a lot on just one platform. So this is the first output by the AI on the idea, and this is the one I designed for it. I designed it and I gave him the idea to improve on it, and you can see this is the design. So when I suggested, I gave it the idea, and then he modified the interface, and you can see how the interface is looking so clean, right? By the time I finish working on the features, like this other feature that I showed you, there are a lot of features I want to include. Basically a platform to help users to grow, right? I mean, not just users. My primary target audience are designers, to help designers grow in their field. Could be like maybe like tracking their finances, tracking their tasks, tracking their projects, learning on the platform, communicating. Like we are going to have like a design community on this platform, right? Just basically having like related minds, communicating, sharing ideas, and growing. So it's going to expand beyond this. And then when I'm done integrating or maybe connecting the features together, then I will focus on improving the user experience. One of the things that I've noticed, like for example, if I create and let's say I add a new entry, if I go here now and delete it, it doesn't prompt me to notify me that I want to take a destructive action. So one of the ways to make a product seamless for users is make sure that the user experience is. So let me know how you're integrating AI into your workflow, and what you think about this product. If I launch it, will you use it? What will it mean to you, or how will it impact your life generally as a designer? Or do you think there is any feature that you think we need to add, or any area that it needs to be improved on? Let me know what you think. Please bring in your suggestions. We are building this for ourselves as designers. Let's simplify our life and make it more easier, right? We have a lot going on, and we need little to no distractions at all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and thank you for staying to the end of the video. Bye bye.